How to transfer a playlist link to your watch later using a cell phone. Two important apps, the YouTube apps and the Google Chrome apps. Open the YouTube apps and log in to your account. The account I'm using for this tutorial. Click the Watch Later and see the empty Watch Later list. Open your Google Chrome app. Make sure your Google Chrome account is logged in to the same YouTube account. In the Chrome apps, open the YouTube website. Type m.youtube.com. The YouTube account in the website must be logged into the same account. Now, your YouTube app, your Chrome browser, and your YouTube website are all synchronized in your cell phone. The YouTube apps is on the left, the YouTube website is on the right. Now go get the playlist link. Open your Messenger and locate the link. Long press the link and click copy. Go back to your Chrome and paste the link on your browser window. Click paste and the link is pasted. At the end of the link, add the following phrase: and disable underscore polymer equals 1. Some cell phone result in result A. Some cell phone result in result B. We want result B. If you arrive at result A, just click the 3 dots. A window will drop down. Just scroll up until you see desktop site. Then check desktop site. It will bring us to the desired result B. Just click the 3 dots on the right. By clicking the 3 dots, a window drops down. Click Add All To. Check Watch Later, and that's it. You have successfully transferred a playlist into your Watch Later. Check your Watch Later list and happy viewing.